Yeah, hello everybody and welcome to our next video to our app NCE Excel Builder from AppSource that is available for Microsoft Business Central. Okay, so in this video I will show you how you can join some additional fields from other tables to our customer table in this case. Yeah, so to do so I have my customer list here and I'll click on the setup for the table, and what you can see here is that sometimes when you select a field, the field is highlighted in another color. And every time when the color is different from, let's say, the default color, it's like this one here, then you can add additional fields from another table to your report. And to do so, it's very easy. Select the line, in this case, salesperson code, and click on Add. And the app will recognize that there is maybe another field that you want in your report from this salesperson table in this case. And as you can see here, it already recognized this, and I can click on OK. And now the only thing what I have to do is select the field from the different for the other table. And in this case, I want the name and the commission from the salesperson. And I'm fine with that selection now, and I'm click on OK. And the two fields are here now added under the salesperson code to my report. And yeah, that's it. Nothing else to do. And the only thing what I can do now is click on the action, execute, and wait for a couple. As soon as I skip the sample data, and click on OK. And here is my customer list now. And you can see here is my Excel sheet, and the name of the salesperson and the commission is now in my table. Yeah, thank you for watching me, and see you in the next one.